Hey and welcome friends. This video I will show you how to transfer your money from Inc to your bank account. So follow me the friends and the steps. You have two options. If you want the app, you can click on the app. Just open your app and then click the transfer option. From here write your pay and enter transfer. After that click your choose amount you want to transfer here and then choose your account or bank you want to transfer and then click transfer, choose the amount and confirm. Click confirm this option. If you have guys want to transfer on bank account, all you have to do go to click new payout and click bank account, this option. From here enter your amount you want to transfer as you can see on the screen, and then guys all you have to do click on amount, choose its account details, bank account details you want to transfer, and then click confirm. This is how you can do guys, easy steps. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget to give a like and keep share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Keep watching.